This module is going to help you with some of the basic troubleshooting that you may need to do with Chromebooks. Much of it is do-it-yourself type work, and then there's always a fail-safe. So first of all, when students come in the room, you're going to hand them a Chromebook, and what should happen is that when they open the Chromebook, it should open up to a page that looks like this. It has that login that we looked at before. But if it doesn't, then the first thing to try is to reboot the Chromebook by using the power button in the upper right-hand corner of the keyboard. You turn it off, you turn it back on. Wait a few seconds each time. And it should automatically reboot to the TestNav platform. You should try that same strategy if a student's test, the student is working busily away and gets to a question and there's missing content on the test. We have seen that a couple of times. We've also seen a handful of instances where the test doesn't function the way it should. So there's a drag and drop, for example, and the student is not able to drop the part that they're dragging into the right place. If any of those things happen, try rebooting. The student may need to log off first, and then you can try to reboot, and that will solve many of the problems that arise. If rebooting does not work, then again, you can try twice to reboot. If the second reboot does not produce the solution you're looking for, then swap out the student's Chromebook for another one in your cart if you have one available. And the fail-safe, as I've said, is to call the help desk and to press option 2. One last thing to share right at this point about the troubleshooting, and that is when the students are logged in, there's this little icon up here. And if there is a problem with their test, for example, if it doesn't say Illinois, this is the main problem here. If the test does not say Illinois, then you use this drop down and it will have an option here that says select a different customer or a different client. And then a window will open up here that says, that provides Illinois as one of the options. You would click on Illinois, and that should bring the student back to the Illinois TestNav page. The next module is going to show you how to resume a student's test if there is any disruption for some reason in their test.